Did you post a comment on someone's story and now want to remove it? This is a new feature on Instagram, so in this short video, I'll show you how to delete it. First, open the Instagram app. Open the story where your comment is located. After opening the story, click on any posted comment. I will delete my comment that I posted on my story for demonstration purposes. Then, among the comments, find your comment and long tap on it. The option to delete will appear in the menu. Click on it. The comment has been successfully deleted. Delete any other comments you want by repeating this process. Did we help you? If so, reward us with a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you again soon.